Follow along as I read the poem. This week's poem is called Summer. A, B, C, D, E. Summer is almost here, yippee! F, G, H, I, J. We'll play at the park every day. K, L, M, N, O. To school we do not have to go. P, Q, R, S, T. Our gardens will grow, just wait and see. U, V, and W. Will ride our bikes, go swimming too. X, Y, Z, Z, Z. Summer is almost here, yippee! Now it's your turn. Read after me. Summer. Your turn. A, B, C, D, E. Summer is almost here, yippee! F, G, H, I, J. We'll play at the park every day. K, L, M, N, O. To school we do not have to go. P, Q, R, S, T. Our gardens will grow, just wait and see. U, V, and W. We'll ride our bikes, go swimming too. X, Y, Z, Z, Z. Summer is almost here, yippee! Today the directions say to circle the AR chunk, so you're going to look for words with AR. I see AR in park. I see AR in gardens. Those are the only ARs I see. Maybe you will find another one. Then it says, what will you do this summer? This summer I will go swimming. What are you going to do this summer? Right, this summer I will. Pause the video so that you can spell the words the right way. If you weren't sure what you're going to do this summer, pick out some words from our poem. Like I see maybe bikes, swimming, park, gardens. You decide what you're going to do this summer.